If you want, you can park over there in my driveway if you want to watch.
All right, I gotta get home. I just think he's coming by.
Bye. Everybody's gonna miss that barn. It makes me kind of sad. It really, I smell gas. Is it that thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. He got up that hill though.